Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz important summits. Let's start with quiz. Deepa Malik has announced her retirement. In which year did she become the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games? In 2016. Which of the following will Samsung partner to launch the Samsung Pay debit card? With Sophie. Which country has named a street after celebrated Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore as a tribute on his 159th birthday? Israel. In a record time of how many days has the CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories, Bangalore, developed a nano-invasive BiPAP ventilator? In 36 days. Which state has launched country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana in May 2020? Madhya Pradesh government Home Minister launches this country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana. With which country Coal India signed MOU in the area of coking coal mining? With Russia. Who has been honored with the Freedom of Speech Award by German public news outlet Deutsche Welle? Answer Siddharth Varadarajan. Wahid Rahman also got an award Kishore Kumar Samman. Ruchika Tomar Hemingway Award. Pavan Sukhdev Tyler Prize 2020. Which city has launched Pranvayu program to create awareness on need to self-examine respiratory health? Bangalore city. Which day is observed as the International Nurses Day? International Nurses Day observed on 12th May every year. What is the name of the mission launched by Government of India, Defence and External Affairs Ministry collaboration to send medical aid to 5 island nations in the Indian Ocean? Answer Mission Sagar. INS Kesari from Indian Navy participated. In Indian Ocean, 5 islands are Seychelles, Maldives, Mauritius, Comoros Islands and Madagascar. Mission Samudra Setu by Indian Navy and Vande Bharat through air. Indian scientist has found 3 new species of fishes under which genus in Western Ghats recently? Answer Dawkinsia. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched the Bharosa Helpline in which university to help students in distress and provide relief amidst the COVID-19 pandemic? In Central University, Odisha. The airport of which city has been voted as the best regional airport in India and Central Asia? Answer Bangalore, that is Kempegowda Airport. Who has won India's maiden Fed Cup Heart Award? Sania Mirza wins India's maiden Fed Cup Heart Award. Which institute has been ranked among the top 50 global B schools in executive education in the Financial Times Executive Education 2020 rankings? IIM Bangalore. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. Again, we will discuss GDP growth rate according to some organizations' projection towards India financial year 2021. According to UN, 4.8 percentage, Asian Development Bank 4 percentage, ICRA 2 percentage, World Bank 1.5 percentage to 2.8 percentage, International Monetary Fund 1.9 percentage, India ratings 1.9 percentage, CRISIL 1.8 percentage, S&P and Fitch Solutions 1.8 percentage, Confederation of Indian Industries minus 0.9 percentage to 1.5 percentage, Development Bank Singapore 1.5 percentage, SBI EcoWrap 1.1 percentage, according to Fitch ratings 0.8 percentage, Goldman Sachs 0.4 percentage, Nomura 0.4 percentage, Moody's 0 percentage. Some important summits: G7 summit, member countries 7: France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, United States of America, Canada. 46th G7 summit 2020, United States. 47th G7 summit 2021, United Kingdom. SAARC summit, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, member countries 8: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Headquarters Kathmandu, Nepal. 20th SAARC Summit 2020 held at Islamabad, Pakistan. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.